It's October 19th and we're heading out on the streets to see what the street looks like. I have my little coat, garbage bag here, I have my boots, and we're ready to go on the road. Can't come out of the house. So the streets are getting flooded. As you can see over there, no one can come out of their yards on this section. We're heading down to the market side. We want to see what it's looking like. Well, I figured no one would be out there in the market, at least not on the street. Maybe they might be inside, but this is the market stretch. Usually here is very full with people selling clothes, foods, and other items. I do see that some people are in the market, so I'm gonna go take a walk in there because I have some stuff to get. Look at the streets over here, guys. It is flooded. Look at it. Whoa, nobody can cross it. Pongyan, right? Oh, that's Pongyan, right? Oh, so we're heading towards Vernon Street. It's not too flooded. Heading towards Vernon Street. Look at the water, guys. So if your people are driving and they have low cars, they have to be very careful. As you can see, those cars in front of us, it's really flooded. So we're on Vernon Street going towards Magazine Road. This area isn't so much flooded, it's mostly the sides, so that's not bad, that's good. It's already bad for some. Over here is Radha's Stadium. Yeah, I'm having. Over there is already flooded for sure. This area is always flooded. Once it rains, expect this side to be flooded. So always be careful when driving. I'm not sure of the name of this street, But we're just taking a little U-turn just so that we could show you the other side of the road. What? Wood. Okay, this side is called Wood Street. This street is really, really flooded, especially when you get up a little bit further. You guys are gonna see how flooded it is. I remember driving through here once and I was so scared because this entire stretch was just filled with water, and you know, you could not tell if there was a pothole where the drains were, especially because it was at nighttime. So I was really scared to drive through here. See, we just went in a pothole. I was just talking about it and it just happened. So we are approaching the spot that's really, really flooded. This is a park as well. Nice family park. I think I only visited this park about once or twice. It's called Constitution Park. It's flooded, as you can see. And we're back on Ponyard. It's definitely passing your ankle if you're walking. I'm looking at these guys here. If you're walking on the street, the water is as high as your ankle or a little bit above your ankle. If it continues to rain like this, I can only imagine how high it will get. Funny enough, as much as we had this tropical storm warning, the stores are still open. I'm guessing money has to be made, so it's still open. People are still shopping, like myself. My boots, because I'm not getting wet. For sure. The canal, let me show you guys the canal. Getting a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna take a walk in the market real quick. As I said, people are still selling out here, so I'm just gonna take a walk. Excuse me. Hello. Not news, I just do a vlog. That's why, don't worry. I wanted some kale, I wanted carrots, and I wanted pineapple. I'm not seeing any. Oh, I saw that. I see a little pineapple. Oh, but these pineapples are small. That would literally just last like one time. They're really small. I just put on my whole phone. I hope I'm not. Anthonette's diary. Why are we cutting here the rain with you? Yeah. My phone is wet. Let me wash it. Wait, let's wash it in the rain. You gotta offer, but it's dirty. Here. How much for the aloe vera? The aloe vera. Okay, give me one, please. I'm gonna soap with that.
We make I watch my baby. And I got anything which I said, you know, I got bill. That was said $2 right there. And then, oh, I got so much in our bookkeep.
So if I wanted to come in the market, I'm going to use it to make some soup, in your opinion. So I'm going to take this piece home and then it's otherwise, if I need more, I come back. Heading back to the vehicle. I don't know why I have this thing on my head like it's actually doing something for me, because it's really and truly not doing much. So I did not get what I wanted. But I look sick. But I guess another time I'll come to the market. So I'm gonna eat this now, and then we're gonna take a drive down to see what else is happening out there. So we're gonna head down Euphrates Street, Euphrates Avenue. Sorry. It's also flooded, not too much, but it's flooded. OMG. Look at this. Whoa. Got it. Gosh, the dogs are having fun. They're having a good time. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Huh? Yes, sir? Oh. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so we're heading down King Street now. Also flooded. Not as bad as up at the top, but it's flooded. The trains are flooded. I was just gonna say I hope no one lives in there, because then that would be flooded. That was a hump that we completely missed. Things are like this little life. I get really hot though. At the street now. Well, we're just driving down the canal street. I'm not sure which one of the canal this is, but the canal near Publix. Yes, baby. I don't want it. still see restaurants open here on King Street. There's a store here that's also open. Oh, another restaurant. Another store over here open. We are now on Albert Street. A few stores are still open up at the top. This side seems to be okay. There's a store open as well on this side. And this is Dean Street. Oh yes, for sure. Alright, so this is Dean Street, guys.
Always been flooded.
This is always flooded, plus you have to be careful because it's a very small street. So you have to be careful you don't come on the go in the drain here. Always flooded. The least it's a rainfall, it's a big flood. And it goes all the way up. What's itching you?
I just saw Amara, but not much going on here.
This is Amara Street. What's itching you? Come. What's itching? And then this is back on the stretch by King Street. Alright, so we are now on Cemetery Road. We're basically just taking a ride, showing you different areas in Belize. This is the Salvation Army here, night shelter. We're passing the Salvation Army night shelter. And also there's a church and the school right here, over this side. Place seems to be okay. There's no flooding, which is good. Stores are closed, only the Chinese open so far, and I think a nail tech. And of course some good barbecue. This guy over here sells some very nice barbecue chicken. Oh, the stores are open, man. The stores are open. It's a very slow day, I would say, but the stores are open for sure.
I'll see you when we finish now.
Then we're going down this street.
That street.
Balton Street.
Baghdad.
Oh,
Baghdad.
Baghdad Street. I don't know who came up with these names, but down this side is really, really flooded. Oh, there you go. I think most areas are flooded.
To you I surrender.
The rain is falling, but one thing and one spot that can never be empty is a Chinese restaurant. I want to see a Chinese spot, just know that people still there getting a little kick down fence or the little Chinese food, but they're making the money today with the food because for whatever reason, Belizeans just love Chinese food. Alright guys, we are back on Albert Street. We're gonna head to the seaside area before ending the vlog. The rain is not falling as before, it's just drizzling. We're crossing the swing bridge. Yeah.
Simon said to cup your hands. Simon says touch your head. Stand up.
Stop.
Simon says dance. Simon says dance. Come dance.
The sea is rough. Look at the sand, guys, and look at the sea. It's really rough. Look at it. And I see a boat out there. I heard that there was a boat trying to come in from San Pedro and they were having a very hard time, which is understandable because look at this. It's flooding here. This area. Look at the sea. It's really nice, but it's time for me to get back in the car. Walking through the little flood there. There, sit. Alright, so we're walking through this water. As I said, look at the sea. It's really rough. Okay, it's kind of like scary to walk through, I'm not even gonna lie. I am a little scared to walk through. Vehicles probably passing like. So this entire stretch here is water, filled with water, right? And small vehicles passing by here, gonna have a difficult time. And if you don't mind, could fall. So it's too high up, so I can't even see here, so I'm not even gonna attempt to go there, even though I know it's supposed to be clear. But once I kind of see something, I don't want to walk through. Filled with water, and I'm not even gonna attempt to walk because I'm scared. So I'm not even gonna go down that side anymore. Water. So I'm not gonna try to do it. But this entire thing here is like we're on a beach, having fun, enjoying ourselves. We're not doing it. We can't see nothing in there. And it's been done halfway and people are leaving. Great. That's not anything in the water too. Do this last spot before I head home. This is the Battlefield Park. So the water here is not too bad, so I'm not too scared to walk through this one. I was scared to walk through the first one because your girl, if I'm not able to see what's in the water, I don't want it. Crocodile could be in there, something could be in there following me. So I'm gonna walk through this one here. My battery is dying as well, so it's a good time for me to stop vlogging. Not much flooding, just in these areas. Not too bad. I can still see the floor. What's happening down there. Yeah, I thought this was a snake. Looks like a snake from afar. But this is the Battlefield Park. We're almost there, guys. And for those of you who are saying, girl, it's raining, get out the rain. Don't worry, I'm fine. Took some meds before coming out. Gonna take some more once I get in. So it's fine, I'll be fine. Thank you for your concern in advance. It's like going in circles. That's another reason I was scared. Because even though I know that there's no holes over this side, you never know. Maybe I missed one. I don't know. So this is Belize, and this is what's happening in Belize. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, guys. guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed walking with me. I enjoyed it. Remember to stay safe, stay true to yourself, and see you guys in my next video. Peace.